Welcome to the Bebird Home30S product tutorial. Let's make a quick connection. Open the camera to scan the QR code. Click to download the app. Press to remove the host. Lightly press to turn on the device. After turning on, the status light flashes. The lens light automatically turns on. Open the Bebird app. Connecting Wi-Fi devices. Choose to connect to Bebird Home30S. Return to open the Bebird app. Successfully connected. Start ear sampling.
投资音乐，版权好音乐。
Press to remove the host. Open the nursing compartment and remove the accessories. Installation inspection head. Lens design with slender hoses that can be straight and bent. The examination head can be used for skin examination,
投资音乐，
ear canal
版权好音
examination,
乐。
scalp examination, stepless adjustment earplugs, precise control of their depth. Installing tweezers components. Easily remove foreign objects from the ear canal. Installing the dosing head. I can also accurately apply medicine myself. Open the children's compartment. Contains exclusive accessories for children. Installing an ear digging spoon. Child protective earplugs protect children's ear canal. Switching between left and right ears to prevent children from accidentally touching the screen. The child lock can be pressed. Long press to unlock. Click to shoot. Open the elder warehouse. Exclusive accessories for the elderly included. Installing ear scraper head. Switch to elder mode. Start ear sampling. Click to switch between left and right ears. Click to enlarge. Click to shoot. Open the couple compartment. Contains adult exclusive accessories. Install the relaxation head. Start relaxing your ears. Click to switch to couple mode. Click to switch between left and right ears. Click to take a photo. Enjoy the relaxed moments well. Opening the back cover. Connect the Type-C charging cable. Full charge can last up to 100 minutes.